Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. It is Subscription Box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you my January Luxury Diva box. I gotta say, guys, that I got my first box from them in December, and I was very impressed with it, so I'm hoping that I'll be as equally impressed with this one. So without further ado, let's see what they put in this time. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Oh, I cannot wait to see what's inside. Let's pop her open. Alrighty, dighty. I know I pre-opened all of this so that I was being a little bit productive, and I even took a peek. Okay, guys, so they have this little flyer in here which tells me all of the products that I got in this month's box, as well as the total value. So the total value for this box is $115. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and I will just tell you the value as I unbox each one. They like to put a little treat in here. Got upside down. This month is juicy fruit, so that's nice. Everybody can use some gum, at least I can. So I'm looking in the very top here. We have a nice sweater. Woohoo! It's got a keyhole opening. So it is a John and Anna contemporary size medium sweater. Let's go ahead and put that tag up there. So look, it's got the nice keyhole. Ooh, okay. Okay, I love the color. The color is super pretty. Oh my gosh, it feels so great. All right, we're going to have to see about this, guys. I will try it on for you at the very end. But yeah, I love it. It's really pretty. So now we have... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't give you the value of the sweater. Let's take a look. So it's a red ribbed knit sweater with keyhole neckline, and the value of the sweater is $27. Okay, so this... Oh, this is a scarf. Okay. It is a scarf. I just moved my light. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm really not a scarf person. I like this one. It's really nice, but you know where my mind goes to. I do like it. It's nice and stretchy material, so you know what I'm going to do, guys. This is going to be part of a DIY, because look at this. It matches this perfect. Oh, yes. I could have such a cute outfit out of this, guys. And I know I'm not going to wear it as a scarf. Like, I know that I'm not. But if I separate this fabric out, I definitely will be able to pull off a skirt from this. So that's most likely what I'll do, so I can wear it as a full outfit. I will probably do that and just show you guys at the end, I guess. So this is a red vintage floral velvet scarf. The value is $17 for the scarf. I do like it, guys. I mean, I do. If I was a scarf person... I don't know, maybe I'll try to style it up for you guys the way that it is, and do a couple of different things with it at the very end of the video. I don't know, we'll see. If that happens, great. If it doesn't, then you know I didn't figure anything out right now. Okay, so we also have a couple of lip glosses in here. So it's Beauty Treats, Aloe, and then we have Rose Hip Oil lip glosses. So they're there. I'm going to go take them out of the packages, guys, because I think it might be hard for you guys to see them in the package, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Let's see, because when I take my pictures for Instagram, I will take the picture with them being out of the package, because I just don't like the glare, and I don't want to open it though. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the value for, oh, here they are. Beauty Treats 2-pack Aloe and Rose Hip Oil Clear Lip Gloss. The value is $9. All right, I love these reasonable prices. That is pretty awesome. Ooh. So we have a cute necklace. It says Hope. Oh, that's so pretty. I wonder if I put it on with this, how it would look. That is really pretty. So there's the necklace. It says Hope on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me hold it this way, and maybe you guys can see that it says Hope. That is so pretty. I do like the necklace, but I don't want to mess it up for... Does this sound terrible? My Instagram pictures. I definitely don't want to leave it in the plastic for the Instagram photos anyway, so alright, I was trying to gently take it out, but that's not happening. So let's just take it out of here, because I can leave it like a nice long chain, because I can leave it on the card and everything for the photo, but I just don't want it to you know, it's got some kind of stone on there too. All right, let's read about it, guys. I keep looking at it and showing it to you about 40 million times. I'm not even saying the value or what it actually is. So this one is it's a pink stone hope bar necklace. pendant necklace with gold chain. The value is $20. I really do like it, and I would try it on if I had already taken my Instagram photos, but I think it might look good with what I have on, so we'll see. All right, I love that. That is really pretty. Ooh, we have some earrings. These are pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the plastic together. Ooh, I love these. These are so different. Look at these guys. These are super fun. Look at that. Yay. I love these earrings. These are really pretty. I am totally digging them. They got like little stones in them. So these are colorful crystal sterling silver earrings with slider charm. So the value of the earrings is $22. Okay. Well, that's nice. I really like them. Sorry, I'm standing here. Look, how boring is that to watch me look at my earrings? All right, sorry guys, but I just love this box. They always kill it. So now we have a bag. So I guess it's a crossbody bag. It probably goes a little something like that on you or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like maybe something like this. I don't know. That looks really stupid. But maybe on the back side or something. I'm sure I'm popping up a picture how you're supposed to wear it because I always find this stuff, and you can get this stuff on their website. So here's the bag though. So it's a nice bag, guys. It's got the nice strap here, and you could just, you know, carry it like this if you wanted to, which is probably what I would do since I look so stupid the other way. I probably just don't know how to do it. So we have a zipper here in the front. Okay, and then we have a zipper right behind it. Another zipper pocket right behind that one. And finally, we have the big compartment zipper, which is right here. So tons. Oh, and there's even a zipper inside the zipper, which has another pocket for you to be able to store stuff in. Was it opened already? It was. It was opened already. Okay, it sounds like my son just woke up, which is awesome. Okay, so that is the last thing that I got in here. Let me go ahead and look at the price. I dropped the thing, so I'll be back with that information. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I'm just a little bit of a mess trying to get all this stuff filmed, and my son just woke up. Okay, so the last thing that I showed you was the black crossbody sling bag with the front zipper, and the value for that bag is $20. So the total value again was $115 for everything they sent me in this box. So yeah, I love this one. So far, it's 100% worth it. I think I paid $30 a month for this one, and as you can see, the value is 100% there, and they send me things that I actually want to wear or use, which is so awesome. I am loving this box so far. I don't see myself getting rid of it anytime soon. Luxury Divas is nailing it for me. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you guys in this video. At the very end, I will show you some pictures of me with that sweater on, as well as different ways that I'm going to attempt to style the scarf. We'll see how that goes. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is darn it, try Try again. My name is Amber Meeks. It is Subscription Box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you my January.